Alright guys, welcome back. Today's another episode of How To Fix My Dryer Whirlpool. Episode number 1. We're about to get her done. So, I'm about to go ahead and start my machine right here. I already started it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again for you all because it was making some type of noise. But I know how to fix this noise, but I'm going to show you all how to do the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and push the start button right here. I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys to the back. You hear all this noise in here. See everything all dusty, dirty here at Allstar Appliance. That's not how we take care of business. So we're going to come back here in a couple minutes and I'm going to let you guys know what's going on and how to fix this. So if you ever have this issue, we can get you taken care of. Don't worry about all this dust, dirt. Here at Allstar Appliance, refurbished, retested, repaired. And that's the noise there. This dryer doesn't sound too healthy. Drill there, switch my bits like this. Handy dandy klein tool, can't go wrong. Remove that screw there, that screw here. It's gonna fall forward like so. Unplug, unclip, remove front face. Sometimes you can get rich off of doing this. Most times you can find a lot of change in there. I mean, as you can see, a couple coins. Come down here like so. I gotta remove the pulley from the system. So, go ahead. I can do it by feel, so just stick my hand in there. Remove that from there. Go ahead and take this barrel out. Everybody can't do this. You're more than welcome to try it at home, but do it at your own discretion. If you can't put it back together, don't call me. Just watch this tutorial on how to. So then I look inside the machine here. See all this dust, dirt, debris. All that'll be removed out of there here shortly. I go ahead and check my wheels here. Machines usually fail due to the machine wheel here seizing up. So usually you can keep those oiled. Here's our issue right here, as you guys can hear. We have a defective pulley there. So usually me, I'm gonna fix the issue, but most times when I'm refixing or replacing or something like that, I always use this oiler here. I go in, oil the wheels up like so. Oil them, make sure they're spinning freely, not doing that, making that noise. As you can see, this one's spinning freely, not making all that noise. This one, not so. So, be back with you guys here in a couple minutes. We're gonna get all this cleaned out, get those wheels replaced, and we'll see you in a moment. Take this clip off. Let's get that off. Pull that back there. I'm going to take this off. Pull my wheel off. So then I'm gonna go get a couple replacement parts. I'm gonna get this fixed, oiled up, cleaned out. Be back with you momentarily. That's a defective part there, but you'll never be able to tell because there's a bearing inside of here, and over time your bearing wears down, which will make it do that. Seize up, not work properly. Make you think you have a bad machine, but in all actuality, you have a bad wheel. Out of this machine, usually there's a whole lot more, but can't complain about free money. This is gonna be a pain. I'm gonna take this, crank it up, get all this stuff, debris, all this is not sleeping before. Not sleeping something before. This is not bad at all. I'm still gonna clean it all out. Alright, so don't worry about that right now. We'll just get the main culprit. Me personally, I like to take my machine completely apart like this. This is another wheel you always want to check, make it. And then come to the back of my machine here. As far as all this dust and debris back there, not the machine is working. You might think the motor's gone, your machine isn't working the whole time. Tell you a refurbished machine, they're going to plug it in, just make sure it works, functions, they're going to send it out the door. Always come back through with my brush or broom. Here's my brush behind me. Always keep your tools all in the same place. Come through, give it a good brush. Not going to hurt anything back there with a good brush. once again, everyone works different ways, so I'm going to show you a little bit on how I work. I like to come back with a blower like this. Like I told you guys, don't worry about that stuff in the front because we're going to do a technique here. Clean out your whole air system so you got a fresh air. Make sure there's no clog. I was telling you guys about this debris in there, that dirt, that lint. Rotate it a couple times. They call me Boss Builder.